Okay, press P and turn the machine on. Then you get a code. You type 3112 and press enter. Go to parameter 620 620 and press enter. This 0 now change to 1 with a plus 1. Press enter and press P twice. Now it's going to move from here into this value. Go to number 1. You have 246 and make this number bigger, like 300 or something like that. This is going to be the feeding of the belt. That's telling me that the belt is going to feed slow. As big as this number, the belt is going to be slower. That means you are controlling the top feed. Okay. After you finish with a value, plus or minus, and you leave in 275, then you come back again, say enter. Okay. Go to parameter 620 again, excuse me. Get to 620, 620, say enter, and change this one again to 0, enter, P. What you did now is you block these numbers. Now you cannot do here. Basically, this is locking the number. Enter. Now you can have, you see, this 225. Every time you put number 1, it's going to 225, and this is what you want to have. Very slow speed on the top bell. That's the number that you need. That is the electrical adjustment. To change the stitch length, the first thing that you have to do is rotate in the direction of the clockwise. Then bring the needle bar almost down, and then push this button over here behind the looper. You push this button, and you're gonna see that the button go lock it in. Okay? When it's locked, you keep rotating. If you keep rotating until you see that the machine is moving, you see that something internally is moving. If you rotate in direction of the clock, it's going to get a long stitch length. If you're rotating against the clock, you're going to have a small stitch length. Okay, let's say you're going to reduce, you're rotating against the clock, and then you're going to have a small stitch. Then you release the button, and this is supposed to have a small stitch length. Now, you can change again using this adjustment here. You release the screw over here, and you basically tie in or tie out this lever. As higher as it goes, as smaller that the stitch is going to be. As lower as it goes, as bigger the stitch is going to be. This is the mechanical adjustment.